Welcome. In this video I will test the Hinge of Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. So I guess let's start with the most interesting test. So let's close the lid and let's try to reopen it with just one hand to see whether this laptop is designed to do that. Well, first of all, we don't have no gap in the middle here, but still, if you just try a little, the laptop will be opened with just one hand. Let's try it once again. As you can see, we have a bit of a movement of the dock right here when we want to open the display all the way, but still it's pretty decent. Now let's try to close the lid slowly. Okay. As you can see, the closing angle is very nice. Still holding. So yeah, basically this laptop's display can be held at any height until we fully close it. Okay, now let's check the trembling. So when we open the display, let's see whether the display trembles too much. As you can see, it does just slightly, but then eventually it just stops at one place, and it stops exactly where you want it to be. Now lastly, let's also change the angle of the hinge. So let's try to open this laptop all the way, and as you can see, we have this angle. I'm not sure how much it is actually. So basically it's around 135 degrees, so we can open the display to 90 degrees and then we can give it at max 45 more. And yeah, the general feeling of the display and the hinge is very smooth. So you can feel the premium design in this laptop. And generally the hinge looks pretty solid and reliable. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.